That feeling, that unique, unmistakable resonance, which moves through individuals within the Jewish people when they uncover a profound truth. A friend, a colleague, an artist long admired, turns out to be part of their ancient tribe. It's not the fleeting thrill of celebrity, nor the satisfaction of shared achievement. This is something far older, far deeper, an almost biological pulse of recognition. It feels like recognition. It feels like reunion. It feels, in the quietest depths of one's being, like a piece of the body returning to the body. For millennia, the Jewish people have held a sense of collective identity that transcends the typical community. It's more akin to a singular organism, its form stretched across continents and centuries. Imagine a colossal body composed of millions of individual cells, each Jew a cell, each family a cluster, each generation a new layer of tissue. Some cells are visible, vibrant, and clear. Others remain hidden, obscured from immediate view. Some are lost, only to be dramatically rediscovered, while an astonishing number don't even consciously realize their belonging. And yet, the overarching body itself, it remembers them. This inherent memory is why the revelation of another Jew, particularly one previously unaware, or whose lineage had been silenced, forgotten, or intentionally concealed, sends a jolt, an electric current, through the entire organism. The body simply recognizes its own. This deep resonance, this profound impact, stems from the very core of Jewish identity. It's not merely a matter of ancestry. It is a testament to survival, an unbroken chain of continuity, a vast shared memory that binds generations. For a people scattered, exiled, rebuilt, and reborn innumerable times, each rediscovered connection carries an immense emotional weight. When it becomes known that someone is indeed part of this tribe, an inner voice whispers, "Ah," another spark from the same fire, another branch from the same ancient root, another piece of the body returning home. It transcends religious observance. It moves beyond cultural affinity or political alignment. This deep feeling, this undeniable pull, speaks to belonging, the most primal, oldest kind there is. This hidden joy of recognition is often described as warmth, pride, or a sudden, inexplicable closeness. Yet, beneath these familiar words lies something far more fundamental: the confirmation that the tribe is not only alive, but actively connecting, continually growing, perpetually rediscovering itself. For centuries, Jewish continuity hung by a thread. Names were altered, identities were meticulously hidden, families were forcibly scattered, histories were brutally interrupted. So, when a new connection surfaces, even after generations of silence, it evokes a sense of profound healing. It feels like restoration. It's as if the vast, intricate body is knitting itself back together, one thread at a time. Yet, this is the aspect that touches the heart most deeply: the persistent, aching sense that the Jewish body remains incomplete. There are still branches missing from the tree, still untold stories waiting to be heard, still countless individuals unaware of their origins, their heritage. Every rediscovered Jew serves as a powerful reminder that the body is still rebuilding. Every new connection is a crucial piece, sliding precisely back into place. Every lineage uncovered is a signal, clear and resonant, that the tribe persists, still remembering, still gathering its scattered parts, yearning for completion. These discoveries matter for reasons that reach far beyond individual circumstance. They tell us we are fewer than we once were, but we are unequivocally still here. Our story predates any one of us, yet each of us carries a vital fragment of it. The tribe is not defined by geopolitical borders, religious practice, or societal labels, but by an unbreakable continuity. Every Jew, whether known or unknown, profoundly strengthens the whole. And when someone realizes they belong, or when others discover their belonging, it feels like the collective body taking a deep, restorative breath it hadn't realized it was holding. This is why these moments hold such immense significance. This is why they feel undeniably sacred. This is why they awaken something ancient, something profound within the collective soul. Because the Jewish people are not merely a community. They are a living memory, a single, interconnected body. A tribe that possesses the extraordinary capacity to recognize its own, even across vast oceans, through countless generations, and despite forgotten histories. And each time another piece returns, the body becomes a little more whole, a little more resilient, a little more complete.